This video is sponsored by ieGeek. What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. And today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the ieGeek battery powered outdoor security camera. We're going to find out just how good this product really is and see all the features that the security camera has to offer. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below, and feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date each time I release a new vid. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right, so first things first, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the ieGeek logo, as well as an image and name of the device. You also have some product features towards the bottom, which include motion detection and siren. On the side, you have some QR codes for Android and iOS to download the CloudEdge app. And finally, on top, you have some product details and company information. Once opened, the first thing you will see is a user manual, followed by the 2K FHD security camera, one micro USB cable to charge the camera, tools and screws for installation, and finally, one camera mount. In regard to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 1000 grams and has a length of 6 to 7 inches. The camera has a 15,000 mAh battery built inside, which can last between 3 and 4 months. On front, you have the 2K camera, as well as one microphone, one flashlight, PIR sensor, an LED indicator. On the side, you have the ieGeek logo, as well as 2 Wi-Fi antennas. Towards the back, you have the input for the camera mount, and finally, towards the bottom, you have the speaker, micro USB input to charge the camera, SD card slot to save captured footage, charging indicator light, power button, and finally, the reset button. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by downloading the CloudEdge app from the Google Play or Apple App Store, and then wait for installation to complete. When opened, you will then be prompted to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can simply select sign up towards the bottom and then set up your account. Once done, you will then be presented with the home screen. From here, select add device and then choose battery camera option under battery camera tab. Next, power the camera and then hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the LED light starts flashing. The following screen will then prompt you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. From here, just ensure that you connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Enter your password and then hit next. The app will then provide you with a QR code to scan. Scan the code and then wait until you hear the camera make a noise to confirm successful connection. Hit next and the app will then start adding your device. Once added, name your device, wait for installation to finalize, and you should be good to go from here. The CloudEdge app is very easy to navigate through. Once loaded, you are presented with the home screen where you can see a list of your connected devices. When a device is selected, you can view a live feed of your camera. The camera also has night vision support, which automatically changes as soon as it gets dark. Under the Live tab, you have a bunch of features which allow you to take screenshots, use a two-way audio system, start recording, and edit the motion detection sensitivity. You also have Album, which shows you a list of saved screenshots and recordings, as well as the light button, which turns the flashlight on or off, and Siren, which sounds like this. The History tab shows you a log of previous activity picked up by the camera, which can also be filtered by date using the Calendar button. And finally, the Cloud tab, which shows you your supported cloud features such as storage. The Messages tab shows you information on alerts, device sharing, system messages, and support. And finally, the Me tab, which provides you with user information. In regards to the technical specifications, the device has a 15,000 mAh battery, which can last between 3 to 4 months, and has an IP65 waterproof rating. The camera also comes with PIR motion detection, which notifies users each time motion is detected via CloudEdge app. You have dual antennas, which allow a more stable and sustained Wi-Fi connection, as well as a 2K full high definition camera, containing 4 infrared LEDs, night vision support up to 20 meters, and a 130-degree wide-angled lens. Finally, the camera also has two-way intercom support, as well as both cloud and local storage. Overall, the ieGeek security camera is definitely a product to look out for and comes with a bunch of features included inside. I love the CloudEdge app, which sends you notifications each time motion is detected and can be used as an intercom to communicate with users on the other side. The night vision support is super handy, and the 20-meter viewing distance you get is definitely a plus, alongside the 130-degree viewing angle. The IP65 waterproof rating really does help if you're fortunate enough to experience rainy weather like we do here in England, and the setup process is very easy to do. In conclusion, the ieGeek security camera is highly recommended and is a device you should definitely look into. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the ieGeek battery camera from Amazon for around £60, and you can find the links to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What are your thoughts on the security camera? And is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.